a Creative Faith video. Today it's a super exciting one because we are celebrating Creative Faith's birthday! Woo! Got my party hat on. I couldn't find any of those party poppers, so my bell will have to work for our celebratory noise, and I am so excited for this video and to tell you guys about what we have in store to celebrate. So thank you guys for being here, and thank you for supporting Creative Faith. Creative Faith started and became an official LLC business in November of 2016. I still cannot believe it. I still can't believe that I'm a business owner and all that God has done since that today at the end of November 4 years ago. That is just so crazy, and I'm just in awe of you all being here and just what God has been doing in and through Creative Faith. And so today I'm going to talk about how we're going to be celebrating and give you just a little bit of a backstory about how and why Creative Faith got started. I do have a whole YouTube video that, if you're watching on YouTube, I'll link in the description box below, that talks about how and why I got started with Creative Faith, and so be sure to watch that video. But basically, I was living in, this is the condensed version. Basically, I was living in the Dominican Republic I started in 2014 living there. I lived there for 2 years and was teaching, and through Instagram I discovered Bible journaling, but there were no resources in Spanish, and so I created a Spanish prayer journal and did a bunch of workshops there right before moving back to Oregon in June of 2016, and then kept going and wanting to do more things in English and do more workshops and share about Bible journaling. And so that's how Creative Faith was born, and I became an official business at the end of November 2016, and I am just so grateful that God has given me this opportunity to serve and love and have this ministry for you all. And it has just been quite the wild ride, but I would not have it any other way. So again, if you want to see more, you can head to YouTube and look at Hot Chocolate with Hillary, how and why I started Creative Faith, and you'll hear more details about that story. But so at the end of November each year, I always have a big celebration, and so it's kind of my shop birthday, anniversary, Black Friday, Shop Small Saturday, Cyber Monday sale. So all combined together into a massive celebration, and I can't wait to share about our special deals and discounts. So let's jump in and go through that. So first up, the biggest, I hardly do sales like this. So if you are ready to do Christmas shopping, take advantage of this sale. So the first thing I wanted to mention is that all of the printables in my Etsy shop are 50% off. This only happens once or twice a year. And so be sure to stock up on all the printables that you've had your eye on. I have a lot of really great things in there. I have digital devotion kits like Choose Joy, and I also have the Lessons from the Manger devotion kit digitally, so those are really great options. If you want to dive into devotion content, I have tons of Christmas printables. I actually have a video that I made that should be coming out the same day as this one that shows all my Christmas printables. So I'll link that in the description box below if you're watching on YouTube. And so definitely grab Christmas printables. My Christmas mugs are a super popular printable for me this year. I also have some really cute Christmas girls and Christmas pajama girls and Christmas girls holding mugs, so those are really fun. I also have a great Christmas printable called Prepare Him Room, and it has a really neat silhouette of the city of Bethlehem. So definitely check out Christmas printables as well as normal printables. I have a lot of devotion content and neat printables to help you get in God's Word and encourage you in your faith. So be sure to check out all of the Creative Faith cuttables on sale in my Etsy shop. So that is the first massive sale, is 50% off all of my printables. All right, next I have 30% off all of my vinyl stickers. So vinyl stickers are something that I started making in 2020 in this year, and they have been so much fun to design and create. I always love seeing how they're going to turn out, and so I just pulled a handful of them to share with you guys. I've never put them on sale before, so now is the time to grab them. They also make great gifts. They make great stocking stuffers. They are the perfect size to fit. You can also send like happy mail. So one of the things that I've been trying to do is send some Christmas happy mail, and these are perfect to throw into a card, and you don't have to pay more for shipping them to a friend. So you have this one, Hope Grows Here. Not sure. That'll be a little hard to see with the light, but Hope Grows Here. A really great message for 2020 and 2021. Here's another one, Don't Give Up. So this is another message that I needed to plaster everywhere this year, and so I made that one. These are my two newest ones. This one says, Do Nothing Without Love. I kind of made this one with Valentine's Day in mind, but also a really cute sticker for all year. And then this one, I love how this one turned out. It says, I am doing a new thing, God. And I also made this one with the new year in mind, and this really pretty rose. And then the last vinyl sticker I wanted to mention and show you guys is my 2021 sticker. So this is really perfect to put on the cover of planners and notebooks for the new year. So that is just a small sampling of the vinyl stickers I have available. I will put the link in the description box below for that section in my shop if you're watching on YouTube, so you can check that out. Alright, so we got 50% off printables, 30% off of vinyl stickers. Crazy good deal. Alright, next we have 20% off of fall and Christmas. So I do still have some of my gratitude journal kits in my Etsy shop. And the great thing is that you can use these all year long. God doesn't want us to only be grateful in the month of November. So this would make a really, really great Christmas present for someone. And just a reminder of all the things we have to be grateful for, not just in November, but like I said, all year. I'll link the unboxing of this kit if you want to see what's in it. So I have some of the peach ones left, and I love gratitude journaling. Again, I have a personal gratitude journal that I don't just use in November. I do use it all year, and I count the many blessings and gifts that God has given me. So the gratitude journal kit is 20% off. I also have some of our bundles. These are our Christmas prayer journal bundles, and they come with a prayer journal and a dot grid notebook. And the great thing about these notebooks is they aren't Christmassy. Well, the red and green one is a little bit, but this teal pink one especially is not even Christmas colors at all. And so you could use these all year long. And Christmas prayer journals, this is the project I'm most excited for the Christmas and Advent season, and it's 25 days of prompts, and I will link the flip through of these on my YouTube channel so you guys can check them out, what they look like inside. But it is a great option for spending some extra time with Jesus this Christmas and praying over each and every one of your days, asking God to help you fill up on Him this season. So again, these bundles are 20% off, as well as my ABCs of Christmas kits. So I still have some teal and red and green ones, and these are on sale for 20% off. You get a notebook or a devotion book, a highlighter, a pen, some washi tape. I'll link the unboxing video of these on my YouTube channel too in the description box below. So definitely check out the ABCs of Christmas kits. I also have a Facebook group, so be sure you're a part of the ABCs Facebook group. And yeah, it's going to be so much fun to do this together with you guys. I cannot wait. So be sure, if you've had your eye on these, I can see it sitting in a bunch of your carts on Etsy. So if you've had your eyes on a Christmas devotion kit, be sure to grab the ABCs. It is going to be such a good time going through that this Christmas, and I am a super fast shipper, so your chances of getting it ASAP are very likely. So be sure to pick up a Christmas devotion kit and join us. Alright, last but certainly not least, we have 10% off the rest of our physical items in our shop. These would make super amazing Christmas gifts. So the first thing I wanted to mention was our prayer journals. I love my prayer journal. There are 4 different covers that you guys can pick from, and I do have all 4 available in my Etsy shop as well as on Amazon. So I have a blog post where I show all of the different things I have on Amazon. So I'll link that blog post in the description box below. So if you have Amazon Prime and want free shipping, check it out there. They're not on sale on Amazon. They're only on sale in my Etsy shop though. So here are 2. This is the watercolor florals and the blue watercolor. And so these would make a really great Christmas gift, especially you could pair one of these with a few encouraging stickers, and that would be such a cute gift. Alright, the next thing I wanted to mention and show you guys are my dot grid notebooks. And these are a great gift for even friends and family members who aren't Christians or who aren't believers, because they're just really cute and generic, and you can use them for whatever you want. This is my most popular one. It's the peonies design. It was my first one that I made and my most popular one. This one is my newest one. It's heart mugs. This would be cute for Valentine's Day or Christmas gift. This is another one of my newer designs and a favorite of mine. It's the pencil one. I do have a YouTube video showing how I decorated the covers of my Creative Faith dot grid notebooks and set them up in a Faith Traveler's notebook. So check that out in the description box below. This one says, "In dark seasons look up," and I think that is really perfect for our world right now. And this is another cute one, the cozy mugs. It says notes on the front. So be sure to grab a Creative Faith dot grid notebook. These would be great for friends and family to use for to-do lists, for a mini bullet journal, write out grocery shopping, what you need to buy. You could use it for writing out gift giving and things like that. So there's tons of fun uses for these. Another item, physical item that I wanted to point out are these cute little hope boards. These are the last 2 I have, but they are really awesome to give as gifts to remind people to have hope this year. And then I also wanted to mention, these are brand new in my shop, but they're 10% off for our special sale, and they are ornaments. They are hand stamped ornaments. And they say there's 4 options: choose hope, choose joy, choose love, choose peace. And so these would be very adorable on top of a gift. You could use them for like a tag on a gift. You could put them on your tree. You could use them to make a little garland if you want. They come with the little red and white twine. And so I'm really excited about launching these. So, and they're 10% off, so definitely grab a few of those for Christmas. So that is our epic sale. As a revision, 50% off of printables, 30% off of stickers, our vinyl stickers, 20% off of all fall and Christmas. Can't even believe it. And 10% off the rest of the physical items in my shop, like prayer journals and dot grid notebooks and the new metal hand stamped ornaments. So thank you guys for celebrating with me. Oh, I'm also going to have a giveaway happening over on Instagram, so be sure you're following me there and check that out. And let me know in the comments below, what has been your favorite thing? Your favorite thing that Creative Faith has done or launched in the past 4 years. Was it a series on YouTube? Was it a devotion kit? Was it a printable that really touched your life? I would love to hear from you guys in the comments down below. That would just make my day to hear what God has done and taught you through Creative Faith. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're watching on YouTube, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell notification so you don't miss out on any Creative Faith content. I have a lot of fun things ahead, and I just want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for supporting Creative Faith and my business and ministry. Like I said, it has been such a crazy wild ride, but I'm so grateful that God has me here, and I just get so excited about launching and creating new things for you all. If there's anything that you want to see me make in 2021, be sure to email me or send me a DM on Instagram or comment below and let me know what you want to see next from Creative Faith. And thank you guys so much for celebrating with me, and I will see you next time.